All right. Who tried creating engagement program? Pardot.
Yeah, I tried for it.
You tried?
I also will.
Acha.
Faisal, I am also trying, but it is half done. It's not yet completed.
Okay.
And I haven't tried and not sure what you are talking about. Can you please give me a summary of the last class?
No problem. We will definitely. So Tamajit, would you like to share the screen and show how you created it?
Yes, well,
Yeah.
there is an error also. So,
If you make error, that's good news.
okay. Yeah, the error is it is not letting me select an email. So firstly, I have started the program like this.
Uh,
Recipient I said the internal list I have created
mhm.
and also set the business hours. I make it as default. I did not change anything there at the time.
Okay.
After that, uh, allow prospect to enter program more than once. I make it enable,
Hmm.
but I am little bit confused about this one. Days before eligible to re-enter, so I make it as default.
Huh. So that means that it states that the link which is available in that email, you can see, or form handlers, so that should be eligible only in one day. So if you select three
Okay.
days, so in between that 3 days, if the person is trying to re-enter, this program will allow. If not,
Okay.
if it's exceeded, now you have selected one day, so after one day, on the second day,
They would not able to click the link. Yeah. Got
correct,
it.
so they won't be able to re-enter the program. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, save it.
Yeah, I saved already. And this one I have make this no unlimited entries.
Okay, now scroll up.
And
Oh,
here
now
it is.
you're not able to select a template.
Yeah, yeah.
uh,
So here it is not allowing me to select a template.
no, it's email open. Cancel this. Hmm. uh, Delete that. No, not delete that. Click on the additional sign.
This one.
Huh. Hmm. Click on do something. Scroll down. uh, so see, click on send email immediately, or this, so select a template. Yeah, you were able to. So you, what you selected is, I guess, email open you selected. Email open means that's the email clicks, the email opens, you have opened that. Cancel this.
Okay, so by as I read the requirement, so as you mentioned, I thought that was email open component we had to use. So
Acha.
um, yeah, you said that in the requirement that add canvas as email open. So I wrongly, I think I thought that.
Firstly, you have to send the mail and then you can open the mail.
Sure.
Yeah.
So the first pointer was start the program. Second
Yeah.
pointer was send and demo email to list prospect. Okay, this was the
Okay.
second one. Third one was add canvas as email open.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. After this, then this condition will run.
correct.
Right.
So the
Yeah. Yeah.
plus sign, you have to add an email, and
Yeah.
then it will go as clicks whether the email is open or not. So
Okay. So
click on that, and you can see, yes, add send email immediately. Yes, add some template, save it. Okay, now
Now it is here. Okay. Okay.
Yes, select, yes, save that. Hmm. Yes.
I think rest are the elements match the requirements if I'm not wrong.
So the email where no email should be sent, and for yes, landing page should be sent. And in landing page, in no, one more email should be sent. And for yes, notify the user, assigned user. So scroll down. Hmm. After this, huh, after this, okay, scroll little up. Uh, After notify the user, click on plus sign. Uh, Click on end place last step. Now click on this. See, so here you have to end and also sync that with the end button. So click on that.
This one?
Click there and scroll little down. Mhm. Delete it. And do you see the round button?
Yes.
Click on it and delete. Okay.
As you said, to keep one end button.
No,
Uh,
it was just to show others as well. Whether if
okay.
you want to create only one end button, this is how we do that. So, huh, good creation, but this is just a basic one where the complicate or complex journey or this engagement studio stands. The program might not fit into your screen also.
Hmm.
Okay, so this is just a practice, but I'll just make sure that I'll just repeat that because Monimala wants me to summarize this. So see, Monimala, as you all know, that I'll share my screen first.
Should I stop it, Fazal?
You can stop sharing the screen. So Monimala, I guess in Salesforce we have flows like this, right? We create flows like this. Am I right?
Yes.
So it's the same flows, but here it's engagement program. So in engagement program, what is our moral responsibility is that we give we start create a engagement program with the help of all this criteria to be met. Now here it states that send email during business hours only. So it's Monday to Friday. Okay, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So if it's different, we can change this as well as per our needs. And one more thing, if the email is triggered on Friday, okay, after this time, so it will be sent on Monday at 10 a.m.
Okay.
Let's assume. And one more thing, guys, if this journey, if this engagement studio, for some reason pauses, okay, so it will pause with everything, and if we resume back, so it will start where it is paused. It won't go back from starting. Okay,
What does that mean?
this means that wherever it is paused, it will resume from there only. It won't start from starting. Okay. And when it comes to allow prospect to enter more than once, that means in this program, we can allow one prospect to re-enter multiple times. Okay. So allow this engage, just check this checkbox and write the criteria whether in how many days you want that person to be re-entered and how many times, and save that. Okay. Once
What is the need for the day end criteria?
day end,
Hmm?
day end means shift ends. So at certain point in time, the prospect it gets irritated after the shift. They want they don't want to receive the email, or else they will mark this as spam. So that is the reason the day end is been written.
Um, so the day start means this flow or automation will fire at that time, and
Yes,
it can take some time to send the mail. That is the purpose of this, or
correct.
it
This is
will.
whole program.
Hmm?
How you schedule the program according to that. In between the start day and the end day, only the email will trigger. After that, it won't trigger the email.
But shouldn't it like trigger at 10 a.m. only, not like in the middle of that day?
It should. It depends on how you are sending an email. I mean, it starts, but it is not saying that it won't send in the middle of the day. It will send in that point in time, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. In that period of time, any point in time, the email will be triggered. But after that or before that, it won't trigger the email.
Okay. So it can be also a short period of time as well.
Correct, correct. You can select whatever time zone you are working into or the customers are working into, and you can select that time zone accordingly. Okay. Now we have this. The main thing, this plus sign is known as canvas. If we click on it, we have three rules, uh, statements: action to do something, trigger, listen for an event, rule, evaluate a statement. Okay. So if in case we want to send an email, so we should send an email. Here, the published template only will be visible here. So select a template, and if we want to schedule it, so we can wait for one day or 1 hour or anything which we want. Okay. Select the wait time between 2 hours and 8 hours only. Prospect could receive email later than expected if the program only sends email during business hours. So we can send that accordingly, or else we can schedule it as well on the specific date which we want. Okay. Now, for example, we are keeping this as 5 hours. Okay. Save that. Now, once the email has been sent, what we can do is we can evaluate. Evaluate. We can give grades. We can give list. Sorry, we can give scores to that, or else we can assign that to a specific user. Also, we can trigger it. Trigger it means it has multiple options like custom redirect clicks, email link clicks, email open, file download, form handlers. So for example, if we have link, we can click here which link, a specific link in that email. If there is a specific link in that email, it will automatically appear here. If not, then any link. Okay. And up to a maximum of how many days you want to be tracked of email clicks. So minimum is 3 days. Okay. Maximum can be anything. Okay. So for example, I'm clicking on this, save it. So it will create a yes or no option. So for example, if it is assigning at yes, so we want to send another email or evaluate it stating that assigned to the user. So assigned user, which user? Faisal will. Immediately or wait, anything if you want. Okay. Now, if we want to end the program, we can end the program here as well. See this, end the program here as well. No need to go here. There might be two end buttons as well, or one end button as well. Not a problem. So if we start this, okay, what it will do, it will see for the recipient list and the suppression list. Then it will send an email, and within 3 days it will check whether the links are there. If there is no clicks for 3 days, it will end the program. If it is yes, then it will assign to the specific user. And if we want anything else, we can do that as well, or else we can stop the program here itself. Understood? Not that much tough, but hands-on experience is must into this, because there might be question asked whether in engagement program, what are the three actions which we can take. So what we have is action triggers and a rule. This might be the option, and there might be other options as well which might be confusing. So once you are used to it using this, then only you will be able to answer that and concentrate on it with what was that. Clear, Monimala?
Yes.
Kamujit, Raju, Mawa?
Yes, Fazal.
Yes, Fazil.
Okay. Some point I can compare it with
Other
this.
projects as well.
Yeah, in Salesforce schedule trigger flow. I think the Pardot automation is much configurable because of the time zone part,
Hmm.
which is very cool that we can change the time zone.
That's correct. That's correct. I mean, as compared to other application, I would say that Marketing Cloud engagement is very reliable, because it can send email as well as messages, and we have journeys in which we can take many actions out of journeys. So you have seen Pardot for the first time. That's the reason you think Pardot is having greater options. But according to me, Marketing Cloud is having more good options when it comes to attracting the customers.
Right. I just have
Hmm.
experience in Salesforce and Pardot right now. So compared to this two, Pardot is very configurable for
Correct.
Salesforce.
But there are many automation applications, for example, Campaign Monitor, Sharp
Right.
Spring, and other applications as well. But the difference between Pardot and Marketing Cloud engagement and other external tools, the difference is that in external tools, you cannot code. You don't have the option to insert the merge field, nor you can add AMP script or add SQL into it. In Retire Australia, we were having that customer who was having 72 templates, and it was mess. So they wanted to they wanted me to create only only 9 email and merge all that 72 templates into it.
Hmm.
So I was able to do that just because the AMP script was there. So if the next condition helped me a lot in coding, and reduce the size to only 9 emails.
Also in MailChimp, we can do the merge field, but time zone part we cannot do that in MailChimp.
Correct. MailChimp is, I guess, the same as Pardot.
We can do the automations there as well with conditions and stuff, but something is different in here. So
Okay.
I think it's different.
All right. No problem. But yes, good to learn. Can explore more. And yes, Raju, is that the same way
Yes.
which you have created the engagement program? Same as previous?
Yes, Fazal. So I'll share my screen and share. Yes.
See how it evaluates.
Email is undefined. You haven't selected any yourself. Email is controlled by reverse. Yes.
So see, and even if in this whole program, if there is some error,
It will
it
show
will pop
where.
as well. Yes, it will
Yes.
pop as well. So
Yeah. Yeah, this is it.
if in case I have some complex journey, I'll definitely let you all know. Okay, but the main thing behind this program is that it's just playing here and there, nothing else.
Right.
Okay, if playing comes, that is into engagement, we will definitely learn about it. But as of now, we'll just concentrate on this. If you all have any questions related to any topics, okay, do let me know, because we have completed all the topics. Okay, all the topics.
So Fazal, are you sharing those materials like dumps with us so that we can practice with that?
Yes, for sure. I can share the DEMS as well. Not a problem. But
Yeah.
dumps, I guess I don't have dumps, but I can.
The last time you shared with us, you shared the screen with
Oh,
us.
no, that's consultant dumps.
Acha.
Consultant level is it's very hard. It will
Acha.
bouncy.
Acha. Okay.
I can share with you all, but it will create a ruckus in your mind that what it is all.
You can share, we can try it out. If something happens, and then probably you can omit it. Nah?
No problem. I can share with you consultant dumps as well, but I'm scared that it will create a confusion.
So Faisal, firstly, if you can or if you have that image specialist one or examples for that, you please get to share those.
Yeah, I'll try to fetch one for you all. Let's see. Can we
So
all?
Fazal share both of them, nah?
I'll share both of them. No problem. Should not be a problem. Are you all able to resolve this query?
Definitely, Fazal, we can try it out. So you want us to do it right now, or
No, that's okay. You can try it afterwards. I'm just checking the keywords in it. Without keywords, we won't be able to answer this. See this. Out of this whole questions, there are unnecessary things as well. Such as trading portal for customer, a Pardot page action, changes a prospect engagement custom field to engage, and prospect who views the page, customer who regularly engage with the portal have more success with the platform, and those with low engagement have a high attrition. And
Faisal,
those
there is a landing page. So if they must pay ratio and give the trading means if the it is a if the customer is a viewer like this, so after that we take an action.
pardon?
So I am saying that I'm following the last three lines. The e-prospect register for the webinar and view the training portal. So we can relate the training portal with forms or landing page.
Or
I'm
that might be
maybe I'm
webinar as well. Webinar is there now. If
so that
prospect
can be.
register for webinar and view the training portal, they are removed from the training engagement program. What steps should Lenosoft take to achieve this requirement? So it states that this page, prospect who view this page, it should be added to something. Where is that? Uh, Added to something and remove from this. Remove from the training engagement program. So this is the thing. So there might be possibility that engagement automation with rule prospect.
Maybe D. I am just followed the last line that remove from list and create an automation rule of course.
Acha.
I rest of the points I even did not. Uh,
So you say that it's the first option, create an automation rule.
First option that it is said that add to list, but we cannot do that. It is said that remove from the training engagement program. So removing means it's to remove from list or
This also states that engagement is blank. So we are adding condition as well. So
create
there
an
might be the possibility, but the thing is, I would say option B actually.
create a kind.
See, in this option, it states create dynamic list with criteria, stating webinar is equals to success and custom prospect field. Okay, here it's custom prospect field. Huh. Custom prospect field engagement. It's engaged. Okay, and action of remove from list, create an automation rule with the criteria. And prospect custom field engagement blank action if add to list with segmentation rule or criteria. Sorry, I'm going wrong.
Yeah, you are reading.
I'm going wrong. So engagement action of remove to the list and create automation with criteria. Prospect custom field engagement blank and option this. I guess it's B only. See, it's B. Why B? Because it's adding as well as removing. See that? Removing as well as is that adding? Adding is up. Hmm. Hmm. I'll share with you all this terms. Just go through it. We'll check. Any question, guys?
No, Fazal. So if you can just share by today, we'll practice it only.
Yes, I'll share it right now. No problem. And yes, I just wanted to say all that we have completed with prospects and visitors. Do you all have any questions related to prospect and visitor?
No.
Everyone?
No.
Yes, Fazal.
Okay. What about admin part related to settings, connectors? Everything clear, guys?
Fazal, almost everything clear. Then I just want to practice those whole thing together. So probably Saturday Sunday we can do it.
Okay. But I would say who all have missed the class, go through the recordings one more time
Mm.
so that it will be a clear, because at point in time that might create confusion. Okay, please go through the recordings. But till that time, I'll share you with the dumps. Please practice that dumps, and also I'll create the multiple choice question for you all so that you can test your knowledge.
Okay.
Okay, Mawa, do you have any questions?
Although, at first I have completed, I will completed my assignment. I will show you tomorrow. Okay.
No
Then
problem.
I will call
Kindly
you.
message me, and we'll go back to the calls.
Fazal, you said something, na? Multiple choice question or something you said, na?
Yes, yes. I said multiple choice question based. I mean, I will create.
Thomas, can you please mute for a minute? Background
Sorry,
noise is
sorry.
there. Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
I said that I will create a multiple choice question based question paper for you all, so that you can give an assessment through it, and will evaluate through how better did you understand about Pardot.
Okay. Sure. Thank you, Fazal.
Till that time, I'll send you all with the dumps as well. Go through it.
So, you will be sharing the both dumps, na?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Mawa. And if you have any questions, do let me know. We will get back onto the call and we will continue with it. Till now,
Okay,
any
Faisal.
question? Maniwala, Tomajit, Raju?
Fazal, not right now.
No question for now, Faisal. If